Mastering English, a beginner's journey to fluency. Learning a new language can seem like a daunting task, especially when you're just starting. But imagine opening up a world of new opportunities, connecting with people from diverse cultures, and accessing a vast ocean of information. That's what learning English offers. English is a global language, and embarking on this journey, even as a complete beginner, is a smart and rewarding decision. This comprehensive guide is designed to set you on the right path, providing practical tips and a clear roadmap to help you build a strong foundation in English. Why English? Your gateway to the world. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. English is spoken by billions worldwide, making it crucial for international communication, business, travel, and academic pursuits. Whether you dream of exploring new countries, advancing your career, or simply enjoying movies and books in their original form, English is your key. It opens doors to countless resources and allows you to understand and be understood by a global community. Starting strong, the absolute basics. Every tall building needs a solid foundation, and language learning is no different. As a beginner, focus on these fundamental elements. The English alphabet. Start by thoroughly learning the 26 letters of the English alphabet. Understand their shapes, names, and the sounds they typically make. This is the bedrock of reading and spelling. Basic pronunciation. English pronunciation can be tricky, but don't let it intimidate you. Focus on learning the sounds of individual letters and common letter combinations. Listen carefully to how native speakers pronounce words. Use online tools or apps that provide audio pronunciations. Greetings and introductions. Master simple phrases like, hello, how are you, my name is, nice to meet you. These are your first tools for basic communication. Numbers and colors. Learn to count from 1 to 100 and identify common colors. These are used universally and will help you describe things around you. Everyday vocabulary. Start building a small vocabulary of words for common objects and actions: table, chair, water, eat, sleep. Focus on words you'll use daily. Core skills for beginners. The 4 pillars of language learning. Language learning typically revolves around 4 core skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. As a beginner, dedicate time to each. 1. Listening. Tune your ears. Listening is often the first skill we develop as babies learning our native language. For English beginners, it's equally crucial. Start simple, don't jump into fast-paced movies or complex news broadcasts. Begin with resources designed for learners. Think children's cartoons, simple English podcasts, or beginner-level audiobooks. Active listening. Don't just hear, actively listen. Try to identify familiar words, even if you don't understand entire sentences. Listen for the rhythm and intonation of English. Repetition. Listen to the same short audio clip multiple times. Each time, you might pick up new words or understand a phrase better. Everyday exposure. Play English music in the background, even if you don't understand the lyrics fully. The more your ears are exposed to English sounds, the better. 2. Speaking. Don't fear making mistakes. This is often the most challenging but also the most rewarding part. The goal isn't perfection, it's communication. Start with basic phrases, practice common greetings, asking simple questions, what is this, and giving simple answers, it's a book. Talk to yourself, describe objects around you, narrate your daily activities, or practice phrases you've learned. It feels silly, but it helps. Find a language partner. This is invaluable. Look for other English learners or even native speakers who are willing to do language exchange. Even short, simple conversations can build confidence. Record yourself. Use your phone to record your speaking. Listen back to identify areas for improvement in pronunciation or flow. Focus on fluency, not accuracy. At first your priority should be to get your message across. Don't let the fear of grammar mistakes stop you from speaking. Accuracy will come with practice. 3. Reading. Decode the written word. Reading expands your vocabulary and helps you understand sentence structures. Graded readers. These books are specifically written for language learners with controlled vocabulary and grammar. They are your best friend as a beginner. Children's books. They often have simple language, repetitive phrases, and helpful illustrations. Short articles/blogs. Look for online articles on topics you enjoy, but ensure they are written in simpler English. Read aloud. This connects the written word to spoken sounds and helps with pronunciation. Don't over-translate. Try to understand the general meaning of a paragraph before looking up every unfamiliar word. 4. Writing. Put your thoughts on paper or screen. Writing helps consolidate your learning and allows you to practice grammar and vocabulary in a structured way. Start small. Write simple sentences about yourself, your day, or things you like. Keep a simple journal. Write a few sentences every day about what you did, how you feel, or what you plan to do. Use flashcards. When learning new vocabulary, write sentences using those words. Practice basic grammar. Focus on forming simple present tense sentences, then past tense, and so on. Get feedback. If possible, ask a teacher or a more advanced learner to check your writing for errors. Essential learning strategies. Smart ways to boost your progress beyond the core skills. How you approach learning makes a huge difference. Consistency is your best friend. Short, regular study sessions are far more effective than long, infrequent ones. Aim for at least 15 to 30 minutes every single day. Make it a habit. Immerse yourself, even a little. Change your phone language to English. Watch English movies with English subtitles, not your native language subtitles, to push yourself. Listen to English music. The more you surround yourself with the language, the faster you'll learn. Vocabulary building in context. Instead of memorizing word lists, learn words in sentences or phrases. Use flashcard apps with spaced repetition systems, like Anki, to help you review effectively. Grammar through examples. Don't get bogged down by endless grammar rules. See how grammar works in real sentences. Read examples, and then try to create your own. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to be fluent in a month. Set small, achievable goals, like learning 10 new words a week, having a 2-minute conversation, or reading a short story. Celebrate every small victory. Embrace mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. They are a natural and necessary part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to try, fail, and learn from it. Find a community, join online forums, language exchange groups, or local classes. Learning with others can provide motivation, practice opportunities, and support. Make it fun. Connect English to your hobbies. If you love gaming, try playing games in English. If you like cooking, find English recipes. When learning is enjoyable, it becomes sustainable. Leverage educational channels. For structured lessons, helpful explanations, and visual aids, YouTube channels are an excellent resource. For beginners looking for clear, concise, and engaging English lessons, we highly recommend checking out Arabia Code on YouTube. They offer valuable content that can complement your learning journey and make complex concepts easier to grasp. Discover a wealth of educational videos and join our growing community committed to making English learning accessible and enjoyable. Your English learning journey starts now. Remember, learning English is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you feel frustrated, but consistency and a positive attitude will carry you through. Start small, be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and most importantly, enjoy the process. With dedication and the right strategies, you will achieve your goal of speaking English confidently.